where I was starving. My phone was blowing up with tons of warnings about staying away from food and how I forgot my special hat. It was so annoying that I shut off my phone so she wouldn't wreck my evening. But to be honest, I managed to ruin my day all by myself. He kept trying deep conversation and connect with me. Unfortunately, my body had a mind of its own. See, every time it was my turn to talk, my stomach would growl. I tried shifting in my seat to make it look like it was just the chair squeaking, but it was obvious that sound was coming from me. I just hoped he didn't think I was farting and take me to the movies, but when he saw how much my stomach was growling, he asked if I wanted some real food. I never nodded so hard in my life. He took me to a pizza place, starved, and talked to her. But that's when I remembered. I was on the other side of town, and I was starving. I realized that my last hope was the only person I never wanted to face again. My stomach grumbled, and I knew